Hi everyone. OBS is a popular open source software for streaming and video recording. Today, I will show you how to stream a presentation using OBS. You have to do the following step. Install OBS on your PC. Set up your YouTube channel for live streaming. Open OBS and create a new scene. This defines the structure of your stream. Then click Go Live to start streaming. Use your keyboard to control the slides. When you are done, save the recording of your stream as a video clip. Now let's go. Install OBS. Go to the website obsproject.com. You will receive the software, download, install, and launch. The next step is a little problem. This is the set up your YouTube channel. If you have more than 50 subscribers, then you will see this symbol from your channel and go to plus to create. Click here and you see you can now upload a video or make a go live or create a post. Go to go live. Then you will see this screen for create a stream. You have to edit it, and after the edit, you can start the go live. If you don't have subscripts, you could still make a streaming by YouTube, but you have to use a PC and you have to ask the administration to access to the streaming server. Let's see now an other channel. So, and if you click here in live stream, suddenly you receive this screen, and that means you don't have the access to the streaming server of YouTube. You have to ask the administration. So you have to click on this button and you get to the another screen, and by this screen you have to give your telephone number, and after 24 hours you will receive the access to the streaming server. That means your streaming post is enabled. We go to OBS and setting up a new scene for our live streamer. You will see the management board of OBS. First one, you have to turn the studio mode. This is the button on the right side corner. By the studio mode, the screen has now two windows, a preview and a program. In preview, you can see the output of your stream, but not by streaming. In program, you see the output of your streaming. Now you go to the left corner. There are the columns: scenes, sources, scene transition. So first I go to the scenes. Here you can define a new scene for your presentation. Click a plus. And for example, to keep the name demo. And you see the short demo, they has nothing. We can add first one, a display capture. This is the display capture, and existing display capture, which very good for the presentation by programming, because you can see the background of OBS. Here you can see, I can see the background of OBS. The next, for search for the demo, we can add our presentation. For this aims, we use the search browser. In the browser, you can create a new browser, or you use an existing browser. I use here the existing browser of my presentation. You can see there is a browser here. And then you can move the browser for the presentation on the preview. So you can define where it is. Yeah. And then you can access. I think here you cannot access because there's a screen, but you can access over this button. Also click on the browser search and use the interact button, and you see that is the showing of my Google Drive. And you can use, this is my Google Drive presentation, and I click here and I can make an preview or a screen share. So you can see, I can see now my presentation. Yeah, you can see. And if I click for our streamline, we can edit one element. This is the speaker camera. Okay, we go here, and this is the demo scene, and they are their sources. And you click on the plus button. Sure. And you can choose a video capture device. And then I would say I use this video capture device already existing. This is my camera. Yeah. And then first one, you can make his position. You see, this is by this position you cannot see it, so you can move and make the position smaller. That is my camera. Yeah. And then if I turn on the browser, that is my presentation. So I can see how to put my presentation better. Yeah, so I can set up the screen, my presentation, and my window for my camera. And I added one camera more. That is the OBS camera. That is the output from here. Why I put this? Because I would use this as a monitoring what I make a streaming. So, video capture device, and I have already here they call OBS camera. Okay, I make okay. You see, they make exactly the output from here. They come here, and I don't want to use the output. This I want only to control of my live stream function in the time I live stream. So that's a good. I have everything. I have my presentation in browser. I have a control monitor here. I have the control monitor here. I have my speaker, and I have my presentation. And there is another very useful tool I would like to show you. This is the control of your presentation. Go to the browser. You see first one, if you double click, then you have a property. This is the address of the browser. We see already, but the second one is very important. It's this button, interact. If you click on here, highlight browser and interact, click, and you have the presentation. Yeah, and here you can click forward and backward. And the interesting, that's if they are online, you cannot see, you will not see this control fencer. I make you here. The scene in OBS is done. We can go to the next step. Is go live. Before that, we can check if the camera, virtual camera running or not. Yes, it's running. And now we can go to the YouTube studio and begin with the streaming. We click start streaming, and we have to edit the pause, and then by the start we set the camera OBS virtual camera. Please don't forget, don't use your front camera or your personal camera. You have to use the OBS camera because your camera is already used in OBS camera. Yes, that's why. Now we go back to our presentation on YouTube. And you can see the presentation, and now I can go to the background. And I can move the slide forward and backward. First one, backward. And now forward. You can see I can use the OBS to control my presentation. That is my presentation. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Team YouTube channel Convid Studio. Goodbye.